out here up at Mexico High School again. We got a few special M cars in the back. Just about to go for a cruise, just talking cars real quick. You know, about to enjoy the weather. It's pretty hot. I'm already sweating like a dog out here. But let's bust right into the little clips real quick. So right here we have this beautiful Laguna Seca E46 M3. I believe it's a 2001. Best part about the car is probably the fact that it's a manual. And also we have my uncle's CL63 AMG. By now you guys should have already seen the footage on it. I did a few videos on the car. Our boy Brandon just picked up his 2018 M3. It's got the competition package. It's around 450-ish horsepower. We have my E39 M5. You guys all know about this car. And then we have our boy's beautiful, very unique E30. This thing is very classic. It's got the nice deep dish on the wheels. Obviously it's a manual. If you look at the front real quick, you can really see why everybody loves E30. Yeah, thing's got a mean stance. So yeah, our 650 might make it here pretty soon. But if not, you know, we're just chilling right now. We're just talking cars, so. Just pulled up to the gas station. We got the E30 to M5 and both the M3s parked up. Unfortunately, our boy Kev had to take off, had to head to work real quick. We might meet up with the 650 a little later. Also ran into some errands to run. But check out this lineup real quick. I want you guys to comment below which car right here is your favorite. It's 2018, I believe this is 2001, my 2002. Hey, what year is yours?
86.
And we got a 86 E30 right here. So unique.
Yeah. I love the blue scheme.
Blue crew. So you guys who've been following the channel for a minute, you know the usual routine, man. We'll link up at Mexico High School and then cruise the river. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we're doing right now. And I really love this drive. Everybody who lives in the Ann Arbor area, you definitely should check out Huron River Drive. We're about to get into these corners here in a second. You know, this is my first time doing this drive. With the trees full and everything. Every time we've done it, it's been like winter time or like spring. This is the first time doing it in the summer. It's absolutely beautiful out here. just finished up the drive, man. It was a blast. A nice little Ann Arbor link up with the local boys. I'm just getting it in real quick, putting these M cars to the true test. You know what I'm saying? Just having fun with it. Obviously being safe, that's the most important part. But let's go in depth on this E30 real quick, because this thing is actually really special. So he's got the BBS deep dish wheels. I'm not sure exactly what style number, but he's got nice tasteful mods in the front. I think it's lowered. Definitely stands out pretty nice. Yeah, these cars are actually so classic. You know, they have distinct smell to it, man. Whole different era. It's beautiful. And it's Laguna Seca M3. Nice interior spec. 2001 model. Beautiful. It's one of my favorite colors on this chassis M3. You guys know about my M5. Well, we got this beautiful M3. Absolutely beautiful. Brand new car. It's got that new smell and everything. Full competition package. Check out these seats, man. Stunning. You know, these cars are nice. Beautiful. Appreciate you guys for watching the video. Everybody's pushing out now. You know, had a blast. Everybody who joined, thank you, man. That was so much fun. We just got to get ready for the next here on River Drive with the full squad. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.